Hello, thank you so much for joining me here today. I really appreciate your time. I just have a few questions for you. Can you give us some details about why you decided to go solar?
Well, I've always wanted to have solar panels, and a lot of people in my neighborhood have them or are putting them up. And I've been looking at the costs and everything, but I never really was ready to pull the trigger until the electrical company, said that they're changing the rates, and there was a deadline to put in your application so you could be grandfathered in the better rates. And so that was kind of my cue. I think my neighbor also was doing the same thing when I called him to ask about it. And it feels like a lot of people, I see them putting them up at that same time as well. So a lot of people got triggered to do it because of that.
Very good. Now, were you the first set of your friends and family members as well to go solar, or were they also starting to go solar as well?
I don't really have, no, actually I have a friend that had a solar started before that, but I'm probably the first of the people that I know that are homeowners.
Very good. So hopefully, maybe through your experience, they might be inspired to also go solar at some point. And how did you hear about green home systems? Were you searching online? Did you hear about it from a friend?
I actually, because I talked to my neighbor right around that time, as I mentioned, he said that he's also putting in the application, and that he is very close uncle also is a broker that works with solar companies. So that's how I got connected with him, and he connected it with Green Home Systems.
Fantastic. And last question for you. What is one thing you've learned so far throughout your experience going solar? Meaning, what is some advice you would give to anyone new to going solar?
I would say have lots of patience, because there were roadblocks every step of the way. There are many, I guess, institutions, I guess, that have to go through the process and approvals and this and that, and then come back for more information. And every step of the way, there was something that had to be taken care of. So I was expecting to be using my panels in the last summer. I just turned them on yesterday, and now we have 3 days of rain. So obviously I can't see what they're doing, but yeah, it was triple the time that I had anticipated. And so that's something that you have to bake into your expectations.
Okay, perfect. Well, thank you so much for your time today, your feedback. We definitely appreciate it.
Well, thank you. And I'm happy to be now live with my panels as of yesterday.
Congratulations.